Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover a MetaMask wallet with or without the seed phrase. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now opening MetaMask as a brand new application. And then from here, of course, as you can see, either create a new wallet or I have an existing wallet. Now we're going to click on I have an existing wallet and you have multiple options. Now, if you do have your seed phrase, all you have to do is click on import using secret recovery phrase. And if you have saved it as you were instructed at the start, then all you have to do is click on it, paste or show all, and then from here click on continue and you're done. Once that is done, it will let you log in and then recreate your password and make sure to save it. In case you don't have your seed phrase, one of the only methods is that you have to make sure that the application is still logged in on the same phone or device. So if you are on your PC, then on the same browser for Google Chrome, you haven't deleted any files or reset your account. Same with the phone. If I have logged in before on the same phone, then all I have to do simply is click on I have an existing wallet, sign in with Google, choose whatever Google account you would like, and then simply enter your password once instructed. Once that is done, all you have to do is wait and it will let you in. As you can see right here from the welcome back, going to enter the password and from here going to click on unlock, and once that is done it will ask you to want to unlock with your fingerprint. Then you might want to add that as well, and then from here click on agree and all times, and as you can see we are logged in back in. Now if you have switched to another phone or another mobile device, then simply contact support. You can do that by going to settings and then from here going to scroll down until you see a request feature, and then from here under that you can see contact support. And from there you can tell them your situation and hopefully they can help you out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.